Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, what we are going to do is we are learning regular expression projects in Java. So this is basically most of the things will be theoretical, but we will do some programming, but most of the things will be theory. So regular expression in Java are powerful tool for pattern matching. We're just going through this article. So Java provide java.util.regex package. So these things you need to remember. Java utility package, we have the regex. So we can go to that regex package also. So let me take our IntelliJ, and from there we can try something. So recent project there was some. Where's my coding? Okay. So new window. So here. So yeah, I will probably close all of these windows, but it's fine. It's all a code and other kind of problems. So the first step, so we are doing some testing. We can do anywhere. So is any YouTube package name YouTube. This video also I will try to finish very fast. So wasting time. Projects testing will not make any sense. So let's Java util projects. So what we are going to do is, so these are the methods and other things that we are going to use in this case. So let me take one of the method. Then we will explore the package. That's our plan for this video. So if you click on this one, we'll go to the pattern. So its pattern is coming under regex dot pattern. So in this regex, so this is OpenJDK 21. This one we have a lot of things. The matcher, pattern, pattern index, print pattern. So that kind of things. Matcher also include immutable match result is there. We are not going to do all of that things. Okay, so here pattern we have so many other things. So these are all static classes. So it's coming under the pattern main class. That's also need to. So the best way to learn Java is exploring these classes. So that's the best way to learn Java. If you are a beginner, if you are not a beginner, you're just have some experience or something. So for this pattern itself, it's mentioning all of the details. What is regulars? A specified string must first be compiled into instance of this class. The resulting pattern can then be used to create a match object that can match arbitrary character sequence against a regular expression. So here there is an example. Pattern B compile A star B. So star means everything. So in this video, what we are focusing on, we are just going through the uh, theoretical things. So we can see almost every theory is here. So the beginning of a line, the end of line. We are not going to all of these things. We are going with the article. Um, that's just important things, right? So here a word boundary, the location where a known word character a word character. So word boundaries, something like in a sentence you have some words. So if you need to find a word boundary, this is a good thing also. So um, a non-word boundary. Probably we will check in coming videos. We will try some examples with that. So, but right now we are coming back to our article. So here step to use projects. This is important. So we need a pattern. We need a matcher. Build the pattern. So you are providing your regex here pattern. So that's the pattern, and the matcher is pattern matcher input string. That's a string that you need to um, find, right? That you need to give the input and find the patterns. So if there is multiple patterns, you will get everything. If matcher dot matches, the input is a valid email address. This is one of the things. So you have the matcher, and you just check if it matches. So anywhere is matches, right? So matcher pattern matcher. So the thing is like sometimes you will have multiple um, matching patterns. So in that case, you can use the while loop. You can use the fight. So each group it will print out. So these things also you need to remember. So other than that, replacing text with registers. This is an example. So if you need to replace all, so this example demonstrate replacing all spaces. So if you backslash space is the denote uh, the pattern that we are using for regex for spaces, and whenever we are doing this one, we can see all of these things commonly used regex patterns. So these things are important. Backslash d 0 to 9, any non-digit, backslash caps d, uppercase d, any non-digit, any digit is this one. So any word character is this one. This always we will have uh, so many use cases. So regex is always important. So even if your program that's not a part of it, just give you guys an example. So if you have some scenarios like you need to find something, right? So okay, not here. You need to find something in your, you have the regex option. So there is a scenario is like you need to hmm, replace multiple rows. It can be possible with the regex. Don't need to worry about anything. Any word character backslash w, any non-word character uppercase, any white space, any non-white space, start of string, end of string, matches any of the characters. So if you are providing like ABC in a bracket, one of them matches any except ABC. So this also important. So we will go through all of these things in coming videos. So zero or more occurrence, one or more occurrence plus, and zero or one occurrence of the preceding characters. Zero or so it's preceding characters. Exactly n occurrence, n or more occurrence between n and m occurrence. So here are some, while compiling a pattern, you can add flag to change the behavior. So if your pattern case insensitive, it will not take the uppercase, lowercase things. So multi-line mode, that also good. The dot matches all characters including new lines. Multi-line mode is there. So just start and end of each line. So it will take each line separately. So that's the thing. So uh, right now, let me check how long we record this video. So if we have time, we can go to some examples. But if we have no time, then we probably stop this video here, and we are do more discussion on next video. So that's gonna be a best option, but still we can add something right now. So I already import the pattern, so I am just importing the matcher. So here, this is a pattern. This is actually you need to match the email, right? So A to Z, or so this is actually what exactly this means. Plus, plus means, so A to Z means any character from that one, right? So plus means you need to go back here. So what is that plus means? Plus means one or more occurrence preceding characters. In this case, zero. Otherwise, you can give the star there. But in this case, we need at least one character. So that's why we are going for plus. So we learn all of this. So all these cases we need this one, right? So 0, 9, anytime say it's coming plus this one. So whenever you are given this plus, so even if you are giving a plus here, it will accept it because it's coming inside this one, right? So let's see whether it matches or not. So whether our valid input address, so this is fine. So that's why it's coming here. You can have underscore also, that will also accept in this case. So the thing is, like, you can have multiple ways of doing this, right? So you can use this one also. Let's see whether it's one over. Valid email address, and you enter some values here. Then let's see whether it's accepting that valid email address. Okay. So if you're just remove this one, let's see whether our calculations are correct, right? The invalid email address. So that's the way these things are working. We'll go through all of these things, at least for the article uh, examples in coming videos. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.